Guys, John here from Big Dreams Travel, and just wanted to give you a quick look at how to make your Disney Parks Pass reservations. This system started as the COVID-19 pandemic closed the parks and then they reopened, and this is Disney's way of controlling capacity. But they have said this system is going to remain in place for the time being. And so if you have questions on how to book your parks passes, this should help you with that. Now, first and foremost, before you can make park reservations, you must have park tickets linked on your Disney World account, your My Disney Experience account. And so if you haven't purchased tickets or you don't have tickets yet, or they weren't included in your package, you will have to have those, and they have to be linked to your account. And so that includes regular tickets for a day or multi-day package, or if you're an annual pass holder, that would work as well. You will log into your Disney World account, and there's a couple ways to get to the Parks Pass system. You can do so from the My Disney Experience drop-down menu. You can see Disney Park Pass System right here in that menu. You can get there that way. You can also do it from the My Plans page. And that's the page I'm on right now, just so I can show you. There's a box here at the top that allows you to just check availability. So if you're just wondering kind of how you want to structure things, you can look and see what parks are available on what days by clicking on that button. And then if you have your tickets linked, you will see another bubble here that says park reservations. And so you can get into the Parks Pass system there as well. Again, you must have your tickets linked on that last page I was on your My Plans page for your Parks Pass system to allow you to make reservations. The first thing, I'm going to select what members of my travel party are going into the park on the day that I'm going to book. I would select however many from my list, and I click Continue. And then you simply select the day that you want to visit that park. And so I'm going to select April the 4th. That's a busy day. That's holiday weekend. And you can see all 4 parks are still available. Now, I will tell you, I'm an annual pass holder, and so the availability of parks is different whether you're an annual pass holder, if you're a day guest that's coming from off-site, or if you're a Disney resort person. And so all those are going to be pulling from a different pool of parks passes. Annual pass holders seem to be having maybe the best luck on these crowded days of still having the availability of a reservation. But if I were going to pick a reservation that day, I would pick my correct date. And you can see this calendar goes well into the future, into 2022. But I can pick my date. I'm going to go back here to a time maybe this summer. Let's say May the 16th. All parks are available. I'm going to pick Disney Hollywood Studios. It's going to load the next page for me, and it will confirm that I am going to enter Hollywood Studios. You don't have to worry too much about these arrival times, because the arrival times will always list the whole day that the park is open. It does not matter what time you are going to that park. If you're going to get to the park at 1 p.m., that's fine. If you're going to get there when it opens, that's fine. This arrival window is just going to say the whole day the park is open. So don't let that throw you off. If you don't want to arrive right at 10 a.m., that's okay. It's just putting the entire hour, all the park hours that park is open that day currently. And again, those park hours may change as that date gets closer. I'll see that my party is correct. I'm going to click that I agree to the terms and conditions, and then I click Confirm, and my Parks Pass reservation is made for Disney Hollywood Studios on Sunday, May 16th. So, and I now can view that on the My Plans page. If you go back to this page that has your plans on it, that's where you can view any Parks Pass reservations that you have made. And so for me, you can see there on Sunday, May 16th, I've got a Parks Pass listed for Disney Hollywood Studios. If I need to modify that at any point in the future, I just click View Details right here. It will show me the details of that reservation, and there's a Cancel button if I need to cancel that. There's also some instructions for how to arrive, very similar to how we've always entered the park. But that is how you use the Parks Pass system. So good luck in getting your Parks Passes. And if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to your Big Dreams Travel Dream Designer, and we'll be sure to help you through the entire process. Thanks.